Hi everyone, welcome to week 5 discussion for Com 112. I'm just going to share a quick reflection on what I've learned so far in Excel. And I know I made a video just because I got the hang of it and I don't want to lose that momentum. But yes, the first part of this assignment, one of the most useful things I've learned is how to use charts to actually understand the data, not just to look at numbers. Being able to create a chart, move it to its own sheet, change styles and designs, and again, move it to its own sheet and update data when data changes. And it has helped me see patterns and trends so much faster. Something I realized I do better now is sorting and filtering. I thought I already knew how to do it, but learning different ways, like using shortcuts, different ways to sort and filter, especially manually instead of always using tables, that has made me that has made working with data a lot easier and quicker. And one thing that still um, feel a little bit confusing, that's I would say advanced formulas, especially when multiple functions are combined. I actually got this one wrong on my last assignment. Couldn't get the formula right. Um, but yes, also when cell references don't behave the way I expected. I mean, I understand the basics, but I like more practice so I feel more confident troubleshooting. Overall, I feel a lot more comfortable using Excel than I did at the beginning of the course, and I'm excited to keep improving. Thanks for watching.